Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you a story. We are traveling to the scariest planet in our solar system. Out there, the air is frozen solid, and nothing can survive. Even though it was kicked out of the 9 planets family, it still hides terrifying secrets. This is Pluto, the king of the dark. Before our EU, humans knew very little about Pluto. We even thought it was a super planet, bigger than Earth. But in 2015, a spacecraft called New Horizons flew past it and sent back the first clear photos. What we saw shocked the world. Pluto is 5.9 billion kilometers away from the sun. It lives in deep, eternal darkness. The sunlight there is just a tiny, cold dot in the sky, unable to bring any warmth. Pluto's orbit is strange and tilted. It takes a long and hopeless years just to travel around the sun once. Right now, it is moving further away from us, heading into deep space like a lonely ghost. Even though Pluto is a frozen world, its surface is alive. The most famous part of Pluto is a giant, bright area shaped like a perfect heart. It looks romantic, but it is actually a cosmic graveyard. Inside this heart, there is a giant plain made of solid nitrogen ice. It is so smooth that it has almost no scars from meteorites. Why? Because the ground is constantly renewing itself, erasing all the holes. Scientists believe a massive collision billions of years ago cracked Pluto open, and liquid from the inside poured out and froze instantly. Pluto is unbelievably cold, reaching -9 degrees Celsius. At this extreme temperature, gases turn into hard ice. But here is the crazy part on Pluto. Regular water ice is less dense than nitrogen ice. That means giant mountains made of water ice are actually floating and drifting on top of the nitrogen sea. NASA even captured a photo that looks like a giant snail crawling across the ice. It is actually a massive mountain slowly sliding across the surface, leaving a long, creepy trail behind. It is quiet yet terrifying. Pluto also hides ice volcanoes. Instead of hot lava, they shoot out a freezing mist of water and methane, creating monster-like shapes on the ground. In 2006, humans downgraded Pluto to a dwarf planet. But Pluto doesn't care about our labels. It keeps rolling in its lonely orbit, screaming with its ice volcanoes. It is the loneliest god of the solar system. Anyway, that's all for today. If you love the mysteries of space, make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me. See you next time.